Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find in your contacts and the profile of your contacts on TikTok. So the first step is go to TikTok, and here in your profile you need to go to the option of profile, and after that you need to pick this button of the person with the sign in the right side of share profile. You need to pick here, and after that you get the options were set here in the down part where set suggest account, and you need to go to the option of contacts. So after you picking contacts, the only thing you need to do here is search the person in your contact you want to follow. So this is the process. Remember, you need to go to here in your profile in this button in the right side of share profile. And here, the only thing you need to do is pick in contacts and find the person who in your contacts who got the TikTok profile. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.